Have you ever wondered how painkillers work their magic in easing discomfort? When you stub your toe or get that nagging headache, painkillers seem to provide almost instant relief. But what really happens in your brain when you pop that pill? Let's dive into the fascinating world of how painkillers trick your brain. Pain is your body's way of signaling something is wrong. When you injure yourself, pain receptors in your body send signals through the nervous system to your brain. The brain processes these signals, alerting you to the pain. Painkillers such as aspirin, ibuprofen, and acetaminophen work primarily by interfering with these signals or by reducing the production of certain chemicals called prostaglandins. Prostaglandins are compounds released by cells in response to injury or inflammation. They intensify the pain signals to your brain. Painkillers block the enzymes needed to produce prostaglandins, reducing their levels and consequently the intensity of the pain signal. This makes your brain perceive less pain than what your body is actually enduring. Opioid painkillers like morphine and codeine take a different approach. They bind to specific receptors in the brain and spinal cord, altering the way you perceive pain. These receptors are part of the brain's opioid system, which controls not just pain, but also reward and mood. When opioids bind to these receptors, they can trigger the release of neurotransmitters like dopamine, leading to feelings of euphoria. This can be why opioids have a high potential for addiction. Another fascinating aspect is the placebo effect. Sometimes, the belief that you've taken a painkiller can trigger the brain to release its own pain-relieving chemicals called endorphins. These natural painkillers interact with the brain's opioid receptors, demonstrating how powerful the mind can be in managing pain. Understanding how painkillers work helps us appreciate the delicate system that maintains our body's balance. Always use medications responsibly and consult with healthcare professionals to choose the best option for your needs. Pain is a complex experience, and while painkillers can offer relief, they are just one piece of the puzzle in managing discomfort.